Someone could hear you.
This is the sausage being made. I've got my, I can barely reach it. I've got my camera on the tripod here. I don't like there's a water bottle in camera. It's ugly, and this black shirt's a little dark. I like to be nice and bright. So this is the extent of how I consider costuming for my videos.
Expensive.
Obsessed with what you think. You've been messing, waiting patiently on calls from the other side. This illusion of content.
I saw what you did. Oops. Impresionante. But you have.
I will only have time to slip away. Why don't you come and help if you are free? Felipe likes a woman who knows her way around the kitchen.
If we're successful.
He said this was your favorite church, so I thought I'd come light a candle for my husband. I hope I'm not intruding.
Santa María, Madre de Dios, cristianos.